Hi everyone, today I will unbox Ginny Weasley from Harry Potter. I really looked for her a really long time, so I really wanted her and I really want to unbox her. So I found her in Andorra at Lavella. So like this. Ginny Weasley with, well, a normal. I wanted with the dress, the Uniball dress, but I couldn't find it, and I bought a normal Ginny Weasley because I couldn't find any Ginnies at all. So at least I found this one. So let's unbox her. There are other characters we can collect at the back, like this. I have nearly all of them, except Peter Pettigrew, so I don't want him. So I got, it's 46, the code number 46, so let's take her out. Like this, yeah, up. Not noisy. She's so cute. I think she has a platform. Let's put it down. So, yeah, she has a platform like this. Like this. With two on them. So, on the platform, two, like, for the holes. Her feet. Ooh. So quick and nice. So now she stands. I don't know why she didn't stand, so... Oh, she's so cute. Look at her eyes and her lovely carrot hair. So lovely. Just look at her. And the cute wand. Harry Potter wand. I forgot the name of the wand, so... strange. So like this, I got Ginny Weasley, and I will collect the rest that I don't have, but I think I have nearly all of them of Harry Potter. So for now, subscribe, like, bye. I hope you like Ginny Weasley and the other Harry Potter characters and my videos. So comment, share, bye.